port of Kochi in the southern Indian state of Kerala was known as the Queen of the Arabian Sea since ancient times. For centuries, Greek, Roman, Jewish, Syrian, Arab, and even Chinese merchants came here for the spice trade. At this time, Kochi became well known to the world as a major center of trade. Kochi is also mentioned in a book written by a Chinese traveler. Kochi was traditionally ruled by the Perumpadappu family in the early 12th century. Later, since the 18th century, there was princely authority over the city of Kochi and other regions. But being a foreign dominion, the king had only nominal rights. The newly developed Kochi is now known as the city of Ernakulam. Santhamani Kala Kendra in Kochi, run by the central government owned School of Design, Media and Creative Art. Jain University, Bangalore is an educational institution promoting various forms of fine arts. A national painting workshop titled Queen of the Arabian Sea was organized by this institute from 23rd to 24th April of 2024. As many as 26 young as well as accomplished artists selected from Karnataka, Kerala, Orissa, Assam, Gujarat, Maharashtra were invited to this national workshop who created beautiful paintings with acrylic colors on canvas in their unique style. The next day, Honorable Vice Chancellor Dr. J. Latta and Joint Controller of Examination Dr. K. Madhukumar were the guests of the exhibition of these paintings was opened in the institute.
नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर अविनाश ज्ञानदेवराव काटे जैन डीम्ड टू बी यूनिवर्सिटी में आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन शांतामणि कला केंद्र में डीन पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। अरेबियन सी क्वीन ऑफ द नेशनल वर्कशॉप का उद्देश्य हमारा यही है कि सभी कलाकार एक जगह पर आकर अपनी भावनाओं को व्यक्त कर सके और कलाकार को एक प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए यह कैंप 2 दिन का हमने कोची में, केरल के इंडिया की एक जगह है, बहुत अच्छी है, यहाँ सारा समुंदर है, इसको क्यून कहा जाता है। और हमारा उद्देश्य भी यही था कि जैसे समुंदर हर किसी को अपने में समाता है और विशाल बनाता है, तो सारे कलाकार इकट्ठा होकर एक विशालता का संदेश सारे समाज में, दुनिया को देना चाहिए। इसी उद्देश्य को लेके इंडिया से हर जगह से, जैसे गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, उड़ीसा, आसाम, हर जगह से यहाँ पे कलाकार आए, 24 कलाकार आए हैं और उन्होंने अपनी जो भावनात्मक कला है उसको कैनवास पर उतारा है। इतनी उम्र होते हुए भी आज जो कलाकारों ने एक अपना उद्देश्य कैनवास के ऊपर साकार किया है, इससे पता चलता है कि आज भी इंडिया में ऐसे कलाकार मौजूद हैं जो देश के लिए प्यार करते हैं और कुछ अर्पण करना चाहते हैं।
કેરળના કોચી સ્થિત શાંતામણી કલા કેન્દ્ર જે જૈન યુનિવર્સિટીની અંદરમાં એમની જે બ્રાન્ચ છે ત્યાં 26થી વધારે કલાકારો પૂરા ભારત વર્ષમાંથી આવેલા ચિત્રકારોએ બે વર્ષના વર્કશોપ કાર્યશાળામાં હાજર રહી અને પોતપોતાના વિચારોને અનુરૂપ ચિત્રોને આકાર આપવામાં આવ્યો છે જે 2 દિવસની અંદર કામ તૈયાર થયા છે. અંદાજે લગભગ 35 જેટલા ચિત્રો તૈયાર થયા છે. એની અંદર દરેકની ખાસિયતો લાક્ષણિકતાઓની લક્ષણોની જે કહી શકાય કે એ ઉભરીને બહાર આવે છે એક સપાટી પર અને એને બને એટલું સાર્થક કરવા માટે બધાએ પ્રયત્ન કર્યા છે. એનો મને આનંદ છે અને હું એમનો જે ભાગીદાર થયો આ વર્કશોપમાં સાક્ષી બન્યો એની હિસાબે હું બધાને ધન્યવાદ પણ આપું છું. સાથે સાથે યુનિવર્સિટીને કે એ અમારા લોકોનું ચયન કરી અને અમને આમંત્રણ આપી અને આ વર્કશોપના ભાગીદાર બનાવ્યા.
In the entire painting, with the full support of Dr. Avinash Kate, Dean of Art and Design Department, Jain University, Bangalore Branch, Coordinator Atul Padya from Vadodara, Gajanan Marathe, and the staff of the institute, every artist painted beautiful paintings and made the program a huge success. We have many art institutes, art academies, corporate companies or government bodies organizing this type of paintings workshops at state, national or international levels frequently. A chance to attend such an event should never be missed. Art exchange with artists from different regions gives a new direction to an artist's creative energy. An artist can recognize his own potential from within. The nature and culture of the new region is also studied. A single person doing this kind of art tour can be pretty expensive and troublesome, whereas in this kind of events, the artist does not have to take out a lot of money from his own pocket. The value of building friendships with artists from different regions and increasing our own institution is much higher than the importance of getting more or less awards depending on the limits of the organization. In workshops, mostly artists have to present their creativity on canvas, whereas here some artists help other artists in painting, which is not forgettable. The creativity is only their own.